Hi guys and girls, welcome to part 2 of the video course of the ultimate operating system in Notion. Let's start out with a quick tip. Above every section is a explainer window, like you can see here. Use these explainer windows to your advantage. They give an overview of what you're looking at below, so they explain the section below it. Use them to take notes or whatever. Once you know everything, you can just delete them. Today, or in this part, we're going into the monthly recap. We have two types of recaps. We have the larger one and the too long, no time version. If you have too little time, what does that mean? Too little time. That means if you have only like a half an hour or something like that, do the too long, no time version. If you have an hour, do the longer version. That's my rule. Okay, let's jump into the long version right now so I can really thoroughly explain to you what this is about. Always, there's a warning message here. You always want to save your monthly recaps. And I'll show you in the weekly recap or at the end of the task. I will show you in the next step how we do that. For now, it's just important always to save everything in your archive. We always start with a rating of the month. That's an average of the ratings of the week. If it's your first monthly recap, you won't have any weekly recaps to rate, so we'll continue. Next is reflection. It's always very important, like I said above, to evaluate the past, to review the past, to learn from the past, to be more effective in the future. We do this with prompts. These prompts are from a list of more than 100 prompts I have gathered over the years. And these, for me, are the most effective prompts to really look back at my last month. I'm not going through all of them now. I would say try them out, see how they feel for you. In the future, I will share a mother load of questions with you guys, so that you can even maybe stitch in some of your own or grab and use some of the ones I've collected over the years. But these are very good, so try them out. Third step is I always do a mind dump. I want to get all of my thoughts out after I did the questions. If I have more unspecific things, I want to put them on the paper. Why? Because based on these questions and a mind dump and my yearly plan, I don't have the template out yet. I should know, based on step 2 and 3, what my top priority in life is. But that can change, of course, but you should know what is the biggest thing you are going for. So please say that here. And then based on those very focused top priorities, what needs to be done in the upcoming month? What projects need to be done in the upcoming month? And to really drill down on those, I have another set of prompts to really go deep into what needs to be done. As you can see, these are also built to really go to the core what needs to be done. Then again, are your projects in line with your biggest priorities? Always double check. You need to be highly focused. I do this multiple times, and after an hour, you'll have an amazing evaluation of your last month, and you'll know exactly what you need to do for the upcoming month. Now, step 1 is done. Let's go to step 2, and that is the weekly recap. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.